Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to ELIMU TV, the #1 station where you watch and learn, and I'll be taking you through Biology Form 3. Our topic today is growth and development. Our topic today is growth and development, and our subtopic is seed germination. Our subtopic is seed germination, and this is lesson 31. I'm your tutor, Madam Sandra Awino. Stay tuned. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to, number 1, define germination. Number 1, you'll be able to define germination. And number 2, describe the condition necessary for germination. Describe the condition necessary for germination. So what is germination? Students, what is germination? Germination is the development of a seed into a seedling. Development of what? Development of a seed into a seedling is called germination. Can everyone define germination now? I know you've understood it. It's the development of a seed into a seedling. So we have the conditions necessary for germination. For a seed to germinate, we have several conditions. We have several conditions necessary for germination. The first one is water. The first condition for germination is water. The function of water in germination is, the first one is to activate enzymes. To activate enzyme which will digest the stored food to form the energy. Energy is required for germination. So the function of water is to activate the enzyme. The second function of water is to soften the seed coat. To soften the seed coat of the seed. To soften the seed coat of the seed. The next function of water is to hydrolyze the food. The next condition that's necessary for germination is oxygen. We need oxygen for germination. Why do we need oxygen? Because oxygen is one of the requirements for respiration. Do you know what respiration is? Respiration is the breakdown of food to release energy. So oxygen is needed for the production of energy, and energy is required for what? For germination. Energy is required for what? For germination. The next condition required for germination is the warmth. That is the optimum temperature. We require optimum temperature for germination. Seeds cannot grow when the temperature is either too cold or too hot, because we have enzymes. Seeds have enzymes, and we know that very high temperatures will denature enzymes, and very low temperature will inactivate enzymes. So we require an optimum temperature. For the working of the enzymes. Enzymes only work when the temperature are at optimum. Are we together? Have we understood something? We have to remember that the germination is the development of a seed to form what? A seedling. And for a seed to germinate, we require, number 1, water. And you've said that the function of water is to activate enzyme. The function of water is to do what? To activate enzyme which digests the stored food. The next thing that we require, you said, is oxygen. You have to remember oxygen. Oxygen is needed for what? For production of energy. Oxygen is needed for production of energy. And then the third one is the warmth. We need warmth because enzymes work efficiently when there is optimum temperature. We've come to the end of our lesson. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope when you plant your seeds, you'll give them You'll give the seeds the optimum condition necessary for germination. You'll give the seeds optimum conditions for germination. And there is an assignment for you. Number 1, define germination. And number 2, describe the conditions necessary for germination. For reference, please study KLB Secondary Biology Student Book 3. Study KLB Secondary Biology Student Book 3. For this and more, if you want to know if you've gotten all the answers to the assignment, you can contact us through our SMS number is 0723 144 On YouTube, we also have a YouTube page. You can get us on ELIMU TV. On Facebook, our page is ELIMU TV. And finally on Twitter, you can get us at ELIMU TV _Kenya. Thank you.